SCI stands for Shipping Corporation of India, and only shipping company which is undertaken by Government of India. This company has two offices located in New Delhi and Mumbai. Welcome to Marine Red Fox. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe us. In SCI, you will find different type of vessels like chemical tankers, oil tankers, bulk carriers, gas carriers, and even offshore vessels too. Total number of vessels in the fleet of SCI are 72 to 75. These ships are of high GRT and also have some small GRT ships too. Sometimes SCI give opportunities to freshers also, but mainly first they prefer experienced candidates. After sailing some small GRT ships or in offshore vessels, you can directly approach to SCI office as it would give advantage over the others who are less experienced. SCI conduct interview rounds generally on Tuesday and Friday for the new joiners. In that, they mostly ask technical questions which are not so tough but have logical straightforward answers. Topics from where they ask questions are purifier, compressor, main engine and sometimes from boilers too. After clearing and selecting in the interview round, next step is checking documents and medical. In SCI, they take your CDC and other documents like passport for about few months in order to start your joining process. In this company, waiting period is not much. They usually board you in 2 to 3 months. As compared to other shipping companies, SCI is one of the best in case of less waiting period. Salary in this company for the fresher is about 20,000 to 30,000 in Indian currency, which is not so good as compared to other ITF companies. In fact, in senior rank also salary is less. But if we see current condition of the shipping market, then getting sailing experience is more important than looking for higher wages at lower rank. In fact, after taking few years of sailing experience in this company, you can easily switch to other big ITF companies. This will make easier for you to approach. By the way, from the salary also they deduct small bonus amount which will be given after your retirement or when you left SCI company. All over, this company is good and best for freshers. For more updates, join my Telegram group. And if you have any questions, then you can directly ask me on Quora also. Link is in the description box.